You sleep in the morning?
wait.
Oh, you're awake?
Yeah.
You don't sleep?
Yeah.
You sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going home?
Yeah, going back home. I'm gonna come back.
Whose car are you going in? The big?
Yeah, the new car.
Whose new car?
The big.
Who bought it?
Baba.
Baba bought the car?
Yeah.
Do you like that car?
Yeah, I like that car.
I don't like that car.
I like that car.
I don't like it.
I like it.
It's too big.
Why do you like that car?
I like it pretty.
It's big? It's
Why?
pretty?
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's pretty? It's pretty. It's white, right?
Yeah, right.
White?
I like it. It's white.
It's nice.
And I like it. Papa got it.
Yeah?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. It's nice.
I want a car.
You want a car?
Yeah.
Why do you want a car? Baba have a car.
I want it.
You have